Hi, I'm Andrew Cairns, Operations Director here at Inixion, and I'm responsible for ensuring our customers get the most out of their Sage X3 system. At Inixion, we work with a diverse range of businesses, helping them implement new ERP systems that transform how they operate. Our goal to help you take control of your entire business from sales to supply chain to finance and drive efficiency, flexibility, and meaningful insights. Every customer we partner with is unique, and each project brings its own set of challenges. But after years of guiding companies through these resource-intensive transformations, we've identified some consistent keys to success. Today, I'd like to share 3 essential tips for anyone currently undertaking or preparing for an ERP implementation. Tip 1. Crystal clear objectives. First and foremost, ensure your project objectives are crystal clear and understood by everyone involved. Ask yourself, what specific outcome do you want to achieve with the new system? Are these goals understood not just by decision makers, but by everyone responsible for elements impacted by the project? Don't just communicate these objectives at the beginning and end, champion them consistently throughout your journey. During the discovery phase, when you're mapping requirements, throughout the implementation, when multiple activities are happening simultaneously, at regular checkpoints where you can gather feedback and address potential issues early. This continuous alignment keeps everyone moving in the same direction, even when the day-to-day work gets complicated. Tip 2. Document your processes. If you don't already have your current processes mapped out, use this project as an opportunity to create that valuable documentation. This doesn't need to be complicated. A simple spreadsheet could do if you don't have a dedicated process mapping tool. The key is to identify which processes are in scope for the project, what variations exist, who's responsible and who's involved, the inputs and outputs, including any interfaces with other systems, and what documents and reports are required. With this foundation in place, you'll have a clear basis for developing targeted training plans, building comprehensive test scenarios, and creating your new procedures. This documentation becomes your roadmap for transformation and a valuable business asset long after go live. Tip 3. Prioritize thorough testing. Never underestimate the time required for proper testing. This is how you ensure your new processes and systems are ready, and how you prepare your organization for change. Early in the project, schedule time for cross-functional testing where people from different teams work together to validate processes. Use your process documentation to guide these sessions and always include contingency time. Things rarely go perfectly on the first attempt. Now, bonus tip, transparent communication. Ensure everyone involved in the project has early access to critical information, whether you're using a specialized project management tool or leveraging existing platforms like Office 365 or Google Workspace. Make sure people can access the project objectives and process documentation we've just discussed, project plans showing activities, responsibilities, and project status, training materials, as well as providing a way for people across the business to interact with the project team. This transparency builds trust, enables collaboration, and helps everyone understand how their role contributes to the bigger picture. While ERP implementations are undoubtedly challenging, following these tips will hopefully help you navigate the journey more smoothly. At Inixion, we're committed to being your partner every step of the way, helping you not just implement technology, but truly transform how your business operates. Thank you.